Linux Mint kernel panic, easy fix for the pink screen crash. Hey everyone, if you recently updated Linux Mint and suddenly found yourself staring at a bright pink or purple screen instead of your desktop, you're not alone. A number of users have run into kernel panics and other problems after installing the 70028 kernel. The good news is that the fix is simple and you don't need to reinstall your entire system. Linux Mint, like many Ubuntu-based distributions, receives regular kernel updates. These updates normally improve hardware support and security. The 7.0.0.8 version, however, has caused trouble for some people. Reports include full kernel panics that show a pink or purple screen, systems that hang during shutdown with the fans still spinning, and failures linked to certain third-party modules such as VirtualBox, some NVIDIA setups, or other DKMS drivers. Not every machine is affected. Plenty of users are running the new kernel without issues, but if yours is one of the ones that hit problems, here's exactly what to do. First, reboot your computer. As it starts up, hold down the Shift key or tap the S-ASCII key a few times. This should bring up the GRUB boot menu. Select Advanced Options for Linux Mint. You'll see a list of available kernels. Choose an older one. Most people are recommending the 6.17 series, such as 6.17.0 to 40. Press enter and let the system boot. In the majority of cases, everything returns to normal. Once you're back in your desktop, it's a good idea to remove the problematic kernel so it doesn't try to load again by default. Open the Update Manager, go to View, and then Linux Kernels. Accept the warning if it appears, select the 7.0.28 kernel, and remove it. You can also do this from the terminal if you prefer. After removing it, reboot once more to confirm the older kernel is now the default. If you use VirtualBox or other software that builds kernel modules, you may want to update those packages or switch to the official versions from the developers. That has resolved the issue for several users. The Ubuntu kernel team is already aware of the regressions, including some AMD graphics-related problems, and a corrected package is expected soon, likely in the first week of August. This kind of temporary setback is actually one of the strengths of Linux because multiple kernels stay installed by default. You're never completely locked out. You can always fall back to a working version while the developers sort things out. Linux Mint remains one of the most beginner-friendly distributions precisely because of features like this. So if you've been hit by the ping screen, don't panic, boot into an older kernel, remove the new one if needed, and keep an eye on the Update Manager for the next release. Once a fixed kernel appears, you can install it and move forward. That's all for today. If this helped you, consider giving the video a like and subscribing for more practical Linux tips. Drop a comment if you ran into this issue and what fixed it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.